It was an amazing SEO Vibes conference in Budapest. Let's go back to it for a moment, reminiscing about the incredible guests, lectures, and the party. The conference began with a panel discussion on a boat floating on the Danube.
No, I love WhitePress. I love these events are amazing. I think they're so well done. I love everyone that I meet. I love everyone that's part of this. So for me, I was actually doing a whole European trip, and then I went back to Chiang Mai where I live, and then I came back just for this, to be here, because I really enjoy being here, and I really enjoy WhitePress, and the people that I get, like people like yourselves are just lovely to meet, and I really enjoy being here.
For the first time being here, I'm very surprised about the quality of the organization, about how well everything was prepared. And I'm talking both about the previous evening and also about today. I'm definitely going to come if you guys will invite me in the future. And if you don't invite me as a speaker, I will definitely come as a guest, because you can't stop me to do that.
The conference was or is wonderful. There are lots of friendly people.
I can tell that WhitePress actually creates the most professional SEO events, not just from the angle of the speeches, but also entire organization for connecting people to each other and helping them to actually introduce themselves, but also meeting with each other too.
Yeah, so I'm also the co-organizer of JPEG Summit in Bucharest, and as an organizer I can say that this event looks wonderful, so you are doing a great job. A lot of attendees. I really like how everyone is asking so many questions, and I really loved the speakers, their content, and how everything was scheduled, and yeah, great job.
Thank you for participating in SEO Vibes in Budapest. Stay tuned for information on where the next editions will take place.